Hey guys, Max Baigent, doing assignment 1, network security on Splunk. Just going to take you through a couple of techniques. So yeah, it's quite basic, but yeah, it's good for me in learning. It's good. Okay, so the first one I'm going to take you through to do is alerts. This is used to send information to the user if something goes wrong. Failed route. It's not coming up for my computer because it doesn't really happen, but normally it would. And instead of using the search bar to search for it, you can create alerts, so you don't always have to do this because it does get quite annoying. So you go through here. I've already created one, but that's why. I'll normally say save as after you've done the search, and that's when you create it. I've already done one, so in alerts, failed login. And yeah, you can see here that I've done one already, but I just go through, edit. So here you have to create the title, file login, description, do it like that, scheduled real time. This is how often you want it to search. So scheduled, you can have it free Monday to Friday. It's every 60 minutes kind of thing. Yeah, so here you got how many times it occurs. So if it's happening just once, you don't really want an email about it because it's just could be someone like getting the keys wrong and typing their password. So I've got 5 times here, it's quite reasonable. And yeah, I got in 2 minutes. Yeah. So yeah, so you can choose the severity of the alert here, and yeah, it really just depends what you want. Yeah, how you would like it. I'll send email. Yeah, actions once. How many times you want it to be emailed? I just select once, but it's really up for you. And just go save. There we go. That's how you do alerts. Cheers, guys. Hey guys, me again. Just gonna take you through some how to do a report. Uh, my computer's not full of that much information, but I'll explain an example when it'll be useful. So here you guys can have the search. So if you're in sales or something, using Splunk, you could search like sales, like of a certain company, sales, close. So you could search up close here. It won't come up with anything on my computer, but this is just an example. So here you go, I've already kind of created one, so just go through how I did it, and yeah. So there's a few here. So we've got sales here, this is the one I created, but it might be a bit better if I just go through areas. Just be able to, have some information, I might be able to do something with it. So yeah, this is the areas I've had in the last 24 hours. Don't look, because it's probably quite bad, my computer's not that good. So yeah, you can create your own custom times. This thing is here. Data is all this, real time, relative, present. It's really handy. It saves you a lot of time if you're working for a business or something and you wanted to get something. But here, I'll take you back to the sales one I kind of did. So yeah, this is it here. But you could create a lot more if you have a lot of information. It's quite handy. But yeah, this reports. Sorry guys, but yeah, normally you'll be able to have quite a lot of information in them, but you would like if you're working for a company and they needed a report on the sales in the last month, you can do that really quickly by just going through this program and these steps, and yeah. Hey guys, my last example of some software you can use in Splunk. It's really good. Found it quite useful. Not, it won't be so useful for just a standalone computer, but for businesses and stuff, I could see it being very useful. So I'm just gonna go search here. Show you how you can create your searches into tables and stuff, so it's easier to project onto others. Just do something simple on my computer. Just yeah, so it's coming up with quite a few. Get out. Just, yeah. Wait, it's just loading. Here we go. So look at these results I got. So here you can, right here you can go into patterns. You can look through patterns. 46%. This is probably not good for statistics. Yeah, you can put it through tables, reports, commands, everything. Okay, here I'm just going to go visualize. This is where you can change the way you look at the data. So here, there's three. Yeah, I'm not so good with Splunk, but yeah, I'll just show a couple ways. Just I know my computer doesn't hold quite a lot of information that can be stored in a role was a manager. See, oh, there we go. It takes a while to load, but during yeah, it's June October. There's quite a lot of errors happening. But yeah, nah, this really can be really helpful if you have the right information to proceed onto this graph. So yeah, thanks. Yeah, so hopefully the best. I've got all my advice and practices off YouTube and off the Splunk website. So yeah, it's quite good.